So this is off. I turned the power off. Now it's still charging. The pisugar lights say that it's charging. If I yank the power, it will no longer be charging. Now, this is what the box looks like. It's relatively smooth in the bottom. It's a Velcro pad. Monitor connector. Let me unplug that. Enter the power and take the Ethernet off. And this is the structure. So the battery's on the bottom. There's a, let's get rid of this. That's just laying in there. It could be Velcroed. Battery's connected. So this whole thing screws together with 10mm M3 screws and the square slide-in nuts. I could improve on this in several ways. I notice I don't need the battery switch or the lugs that connect to the big lead-acid battery. So we probably could decimate the control panel. But right now this is made to support the stuff we have.